Hi, Timothy Unger here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of global constants. So I declare a global constant right after the include statement here. So I'll make a little comment. These are going to be global constants. Okay, and to do it, I'm going to do a hashtag and then define, and then the global constant all in caps and the value it's equal to. We don't put a semicolon or anything like that after it. I'm then going to define another one, sh, and put that value. Now, the reason I'm doing this as 25 and 21 is the first constant is going to stand for Dean's age at season 0 of Supernatural. So in season 1, he'll be 26. Sam's age would be 22 in season 1. I'm going to create some functions of type void that print out the age of each character of my favorite TV show, Supernatural, in whatever season the user picks. Okay. So I'm going to go down to my main function, and let's first create the main function, and then we'll create the other functions. So I'm going to type create an integer of type integer, named season, sorry, and I'm going to printf pick a season of Supernatural. And I'll put a colon here and a space. And then I'm going to scanf. I'm going to scan an integer in, and the integer is going to be season, okay? And I'm then going to call two functions. The first function is Dean's age, where I pass in season, and the second one is Sam's age, where I also pass in the season variable. At the end of the main function, I'm simply going to return 0, okay? Since I'm calling in two functions, I should probably create some function prototypes up here. So I'm going to make a comment that my function prototypes are below, and they're both of type void. So I'm going to say void Dean's age, pass in season, and then void Sam's age and pass in season. All right, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go down to the bottom here and create my function. So I'm going to type void Dean's age, will pass in season, pass in an integer called season. And let me make sure I specified that up top. Yeah, got to declare the type that we're passing in. So it's an integer called season. Okay, go back down here. All right, and then within there, what I'm going to do is a void function. We don't need a return. I'm just going to print something. So I'm going to print f Dean is, and then I'm going to pass in an integer, years old in season, and I'm going to pass in another integer and put a period and the slash n there. And the first integer I'm going to pass in is going to be the Dean age constant plus the season. And then the second integer I'm going to pass in is just going to be the season. Okay. I'm also going to create a function called Sam's age, where I pass in an integer called season. And here I'm going to print f Sam is, we're going to pass in an integer, years old in season, another integer here, and we'll have a slash in for formatting. The integer I'm going to pass in is going to be sh plus the season, and then the season. And we're going to end it with a semicolon. All right. Now what I'm going to do is open up the terminal. Okay. And I'm going to compile this into a file called global constants. Okay. And then I'm going to run the global constants. Okay. Pick a season of Supernatural. Let's pick one. So we see Dean is 26 years old in season 1. Sam is 22 years old in season 1. Okay, let's run it again. Let's pick season 5. We can see Dean is 30 years old in season 5. Sam is 26 years old in season 5. If we run it again to pick the last season, we see that Dean is 40 years old in season 15, and Sam is 36 years old in season 15. Anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.